Okay, what we have here is a refrigerator rack that is broken, and what we're going to do is we're going to use CoolChem Activator and CoolChem Integrator to repair this. And first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have protective gloves on when you're using this. So, it's a pretty large crack. As you can see, it's busted right there, big time. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this baby up. First of all, we're going to apply the CoolChem Integrator right there. And we're going to tilt this way a little bit. Let's see. Put a little bit on there. Not too much. And then we need to get some more on there. Like so. Put that together just like that. And we're going to get it right where we need to have that, which would be right there. And then we're going to spray a little bit of activator on there. Want to take that cap off for me? Okay. Just a little bit on the top there. And hold that. Just like that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to flip it quick like that, and we're just going to put a little bit more, like a little more activator on the back side of it. Right along that crack there. There we go. And we got that part done now. And see that the crack's a lot less now. That's our goal. So we also have another crack up along here on the top. We're going to try to take care of that too. As you can see right there. This bottom part should be good now here. Okay, as I pull apart this here on the top, you can see that right there. When I do that, we're going to fix that whole piece right there. Yep. Okay, so I've opened this crack up a little bit here because I need to get it opened up a tad bit in order to get the integrator in there. Just like that. Don't have to use a whole lot. I'm going to spread it out a little bit here. And then we just got to push it together right there. I'll put a little activator on it. Okay. Hold that like that. Good. The crack's a lot smaller and we are bonded. I'm pulling on that pretty hard and it's not even moving one little bit. Quite a bit of pressure there. Okay, now everything is pretty well bonded here together. Nice and tight like it should be, and now we're going to flip it over and we're going to put a little bit extra on the cracks on the back side. And we're going to put a little integrator on there and we should be all fixed up. And right back here is where the crack is, and we're just going to put a little bit of glue on there. There we go. Okay, a little bit over here, not too much. There we go. And we're going to spray some activator on it. Just a little bit there. And one more little crack right there. Okay. Crack there, just like that. I'll hold a little pressure on there and hold it just like that. Okay. And then, can you see that crack right down in there? See it right there? A crack right there. See, we're going to take care of that too while we're here. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of this down in here. Okay. There we go, a little more activator on there, and I think our repair is done. Let's check it out. There it is. Temporary fix. Actually, this could be a permanent fix. There, I'm pulling on it. And it's tight and it's not breaking. So if you're looking for these great products, go to coolchem.com. COOLCHEM.com. Thank you.